Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Coming up, the economic calendar is set to showcase critical data releases, including both high priority and moderate impact events. Traders should monitor these updates for potential shifts in trading strategies and market direction. Economic data like these can be a turning point for market behavior. Traders should remain observant and ready to adjust their strategies as needed.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
AMD shares surged 7% after the chipmaker unveiled a bold $100 billion annual data center revenue target, with plans to claim a larger slice of the booming artificial intelligence market dominated by NVIDIA. London's FTSE 100 logged a third consecutive record close, supported by gains in utilities and mining shares as investors welcomed signs of a potential end to the prolonged U.S. government shutdown. Strategy has seen its dominance among corporate Bitcoin holders decline in October amid slower purchases and a growing number of companies adding crypto to their treasuries. The company still leads as the largest Bitcoin treasury holder with 640,808 BTC.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.